And here I have a manual coffee grinder, and this thing is awesome. This is from PARACITY. Thanks a lot to PARACITY for sending this out for free to review. This thing is great. So what we've got here is the bottom part where you're going to get your coffee grounds right here. So you've got this nice cup. You've got a settings down here for how fine or coarse that you want your coffee to be ground. And so all you'll do is spin this. You can see we're going to spin it more fine, or you go this way to spin it more coarse. Now on the other side, the handle does come off, and this is where you're going to be putting the coffee in. So, and fill it just about up, almost there. Then we'll put this bottom cap on right here, and then you put the crank on. So the crank goes right on here. It's got kind of a Allen wrench style right here. Running this right into the bottom of the cup. So let's grind a little bit at this setting. Take this off, and you can kind of see what it's looking like so far. So that's a little bit more coarse. So if you really want to go fine, then we'll just turn this a little bit more, maybe a few more turns like that. And we'll put this back on and do it some more. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, take this off, and you should be able to see a difference now. There you go. So there you go. Look at that, the difference in the fine and the coarse, and you can even go finer if you wanted to. That's pretty fine already. And just start grinding away. But it's got a really good feel for it. You can feel it going this way. Once you go back the other way, it's not going to do anything. So pull this cap off. And yeah, check that out. Just how fine you can make your coffee. This is going to be great for like Aeropresses and different things. And you can see how gritty or how coarse this side is. Let's go really coarse and see what it comes out like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's test that and see, and there you go. Yeah, so you can definitely adjust how you want your beans ground. That's definitely very coarse right there, and if you wanted to, you could put all this right back inside and grind it all down to a fine powder if you wanted. But that's what the inside looks like. Just pour that out right there. This is where you adjust on the bottom, and you've got this cap. Very easy to wash and clean. Just rinse these out and you are done. But this is an awesome manual coffee grinder. Definitely going to use this and highly recommend this for sure. Check it out.